Okay. Now, my dear friends, today we are going to have the session on magazine design, magazine cover design, magazine cover design. See, all of you may be writer, some of you may be writers, some of you are editors of magazines or journals. You are involved in magazine works as well. So why not we design the cover of the magazine? So magazine cover design that involves intelligence. What do you mean by that? You know, the intelligence that we need to have the idea about the book. You should have you should know what is the content of the book. Based on that, you should have an attracting design, because for example, you take any magazine for that matter. This week, what is the content of that magazine? Based on that, the cover design will be there. So the design of the cover should tell the content of the magazine. So you should conceive an idea. It is not just a designing alone. It needs intelligence. That's what journalism, a bit of journalism is needed. So just think of the situation now. Today, what is the current situation? Can anyone tell me? What is the current situation? What is the current?
Elections, sir.
COVID-19.
Election. COVID-19 and election. Both are current situations. Right. Election is at the peak in Tamil Nadu and other places as well. Why don't we go for a magazine coming out with a bulletin on elections, election 2021, general elections. Now I'm going to give you a demonstration on cover design. The size, general design in any magazine, Standard Magazine, Week, India Today, all these Outlook, all these standard magazines will be of the same size. And each magazine will go on their own size. Maybe two sizes are there. The bigger one is 5 point, please make note of it, 5.5 by 8.25. That is one size, little magazine. Digest, Digest, no, you have magazine called Digest. Okay, small one that may be of 5.5 by 8.25. Please make note of it, 5.5 by 8.25. I'll just give you. I've given you in the chat. Please make note of it. This small one, Digest, the size of Digest magazine. And the other one is 8.5 by 11 inches. 8.5 by 11 inches, as usually like certificate. 8.5 by 11 inches, A4 size, almost about A4 size. So now I'm just sharing. Is my screen visible to you? Can you tell me, is my screen visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Now I'm going to go for a new design. File, new, 8.5 and 11. Height is 11. 8 point with this 8.5 and the height is 11. Okay, inches, it is in inches, and the resolution is 300. I fixed it. So this is the one. Now before we go for the design, we shall have look at some magazines. Look at here. Look at some of the magazines. Let us take the good ones. Okay, let us not just involve in. There are so many. See here, Times that has a design of a cover fully of red color and a letter time, and full page is of maybe a human, maybe a personality. Okay, there are so many magazines are available. You can even go for Outlook magazine. Outlook. You look at the Outlook. Here and there some text is there. See, look at the Outlook. See, each time they change except the letter on the top, right? Excepting the letter on the top. Okay, see. Okay, now I shall give you India Today. Look at here, look at this magazine. Okay, So this is say this is full of red color around the border, and you have this magazine, right? Now we shall have our own style of magazine. Shall we have a border, full borders? Maybe how do you give borders? How do you give borders? Look at here. I've chosen a box. Go to select, modify border, or 200. See, 200. I just go with the red color because most of the magazines they go with red color. So I go with red color. I've gone with red color. Then the strip that I would like to use, the strip. Here also again I would like to just add this red color. Okay, so red color is added. Now on the top, some magazine. Give me the title of the magazine. Give me the title of the magazine. Give me some title of the magazine. Any title on your own. Any suggestion? Any suggestion? Able to you all? Any suggestion? Yeah, any suggestion? The magazine called maybe politics. I just name it as politics, right? In English, I just make it as politics. So I will have to take a peculiar font that fits in. Peculiar font that fits in. Okay, but it should not be used anywhere. I just choose a font which is peculiar. So I name it as the on the top. So I reduce the font size. Reduce the font size and keep it on the top. The politics. So I just keep it here. Keep this font here. Okay. Okay. Right. Now see here. I just would like to go for the colors. Maybe go to layer style, gradient overlay. I can go with any color. Okay, maybe different colors, or see here. I go with any color. Now this alone will be in red color. Okay, let it be. And here maybe about the volume. Month may be given. Month and volume or something like that can be given. The price and other things can be given. Maybe I shall just type here. Maybe imagine that it's a monthly magazine. I just select white color, or yellow color. Yellow color will also suit. May month of March or April 2021. April 2021. I just and here you can maybe volume or something like that. You can, if you want to give, you can give special edition or something like that. I've just kept it as special edition. Now I want to change the color of this white. Maybe change. maybe I've chosen the background. Okay, or maybe here I can bring about some maybe election maybe the theme. So I can choose the theme of elections. Okay, elections. See here, you can take up this. See this one. It symbolizes election, no? So I just take it, copy, and bring it. I just reduce the other parts with the help of this tool. I can also bring map. I can bring map, and I can put it here. For example, TN elections. You need not follow my design. I am just giving you an idea through which you can design, right? TN elections 2021. You can keep it here on the top. I just make it as blue color. Chosen color overlay. I'm giving blue, dark blue. Okay, I've given it. Now I want to bring the map of Tamil Nadu. I'm concentrating only Tamil Nadu. So map of TN Tamil Nadu. Inside the map, I want to bring all the politicians. Okay, maybe Tamil Nadu empty map, outline map of Tamil Nadu. I want to have outline map of Tamil Nadu. Just an outline. Look at here. This is an outline of Tamil Nadu, right? I can even choose this one. See, this is perfect. This looks perfect. So I'm just choosing copy and bring it here. And I just delete the other portion, unwanted portion. I've deleted. The extra thing that is available is Chennai. So that is also deleted. Yeah. Now we've got it. Now, okay, I've got it. Now here and there. Now the same here inside, I would like to bring all these politicians, picture of politicians. Picture of these politicians. See, maybe I'm taking, he is a chief minister. I'm taking this picture, copying and pasting. See, what do I do now? I will have to crop it. So how do I crop it? There are two ways. No, for example, look at here. I can take elliptical of the same picture. By giving feather. Select inverse. I'm giving inverse. So look at here. I've selected it and I put it here somewhere in the top here or here. Anyway, wherever it is possible, you can fit him here, right? It is enough that you bring some main politician. That's enough to symbolize that the TN election is going on, right? And maybe Stalin. inverse, delete. See, I'm selecting and pressing inverse. In what do you know? What do you mean by inverse? Inverse is the other portion other than the selected portion, right? That's what we call by inverse, right? We have put them inside, and we can put two more people. I'm copying this picture. Select inverse. I'm deleting the other portion. I'm just bringing him here somewhere. Okay. Now one more politician. Maybe now look at here. So I've got all the politicians. So a cover page is about to ready. For example, I'm taking this picture. Inverse, I'm deleting. I've got this picture too. Keep it somewhere wherever it is fitting. Yeah, I filled it. If you want to fill with other leaders also, you can fill it entirely. So the magazine is almost ready, and you can also even give colors for this magazine. For example, layer, color overlay. See here, you can even make it whether green or maybe all these colors. Maybe gradient color. You can go for gradient color. You can go for gradient color, whether DMK or ADMK will. This symbolic notation of DMK color and ADMK color. Okay, DMK and ADMK color. Okay, symbolic notations. So some colors can be given, and maybe a common man's picture. Common man's picture can be put up here so that it will be covered. Common man. Maybe a cartoon or maybe a picture or anything or maybe voting fingers can be kept. Yeah, so I shall choose any of these. Maybe this looks meaningful, so I'm copying this and putting it here. I want to delete the unwanted portion, so I'm using magic wand tool. Okay, fine. Now look at here. I have chosen okay. Now I have designed the magazine. The magazine cover is ready. You can even go for multicolor pages. I mean, instead of white color inside, you can even go for the color pages. Maybe full color pages that can be that will give you another look. Maybe look at here. I select this part alone and gradient. I can go for some light color, plain color. Am I clear to you? See the plain color. You can even go for darker colors, or you can go for any other color also. Not a problem. Any light color, maybe. See. Am I clear? So we have designed, and this can be a magazine cover. So like this, you have to take some concept. Based on the concept, you will have to design the magazine. You will have to take up a concept, and based on the concept, you will have to design the magazine. Am I clear to you? So you can design it in Tamil or English or any language that you prefer. Even you can design with borders or without borders. It is up to you. So if you are employed in media houses, you will be paid with sky high salary. Graphics designer will be given with sky high salary. You'll have to make up based on the idea given by the editor. See, don't worry about the cover design. The editors will give you idea. Based on that, we will design. It is not that we conceive our own idea. Editors will give you enough idea, but we have to use our creativity to design the cover. Okay. Yes. Now I think I've completed. Once after completing it, it has to be given for printing. Then you can make it as TIFF file. See here, TIFF file. At the end, TIFF, TIFF format, TIFF file. So we can make it as TIFF file. For time being, I shall make it as JPG file. Okay, Photoshop file. Magazine cover. Okay. You will have to make it as for JPG file also. Magazine cover copy. So we are completed with the cover design, right? So like this, you can take up any concept and design accordingly. Any concept and design accordingly, right? Okay, fine. I'll give you just 5 minutes time. Just have a hands-on and come back. We will go with another design. Maybe the design of breaking news content for TVs. Breaking news content for TVs. Okay, just have a hands-on for 5 minutes. Design your own cover. Just try to design your own cover. You can keep it, save it, and you can come back. I'm here. You can ask for clarification if any. Any clarification you can ask. Otherwise, you can have the hands-on for 5 minutes. Any clarification you may ask in the chat box as well. Any clarification? I'm waiting for your queries. Otherwise, you can have this as model and design.
Sir, this is Jim.
Yeah, please.
Sir, regarding the photo, you are using the inverse in that place, no? For the finger, you are using Magic Band tool.
Yes, sir.
So, what's the actual difference between them?
See, for example, if the difference is that it is based on the application, sir. Based on the application. For example, you have a portion. You have, for example, look at here. I just copy a portion of image. I just take the portion of image. Copy. Right? For example, I want only this portion. Right? I want only this portion. The remaining, I need not. In that case, see here, I just go to select inverse. Shift Control Z. So what happened? other than the selected area, other than this area is selected now. Am I clear to you? See, first of all, I have selected this area. Now I wanted to delete the other than this portion, the center portion. So what do? I inverse the selection. So other than this area, the other area is selected. See here, this, the outer. In that case, I just use delete to choose only that center area. This is usage of inverse. Here, for example, magic band tool, I just keep, see here, I want only the area. See here, this area is chosen. Other than the hand is chosen. So what do? I just delete. So I just get the finger around. So this is not inverse, and the area which I delete, choose and delete, the similar color. Okay, but whereas the inverse, whatever portion I want, keeping that, and other portions can be deleted using that.
Okay,
sir.
But sir, but most of the cases for photos and all, we will go for inverse only, no, sir. For the photos, we will go for the inverse only, no? Hello?
I'm sorry. There was a network error. I'm sorry for the delay. Jim, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just getting you back. Have you understood the difference, sir?
Yes, I have understood, sir. Now, my concern was actually these tools where we are using only. Now I have got the idea, sir. Now.
Yeah. See, it depends upon our usage, sir. your personal
Ah.
usage and the creativity that we adapt.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So I request you to please have a hands-on designing your own cover. Shortly, we are having a demonstration on designing the breaking news content for TVs. Breaking news content for TVs. Please have a hands-on. I suppose all of you are designing. So in a minute or two, we'll go for breaking news tags design. Anybody, if you have done something, you can share. If you have done something, you can share. If you have done something, you can share. Anybody is ready for presentation? If anybody is ready for the presentation, you can show it. Okay. So if you have, I suppose you had a hands-on. Now we'll move on for designing the breaking news tag. See, for example, if any news is announced in the TV, the graphic designer's role is very, very important for designing a tagline. Even for headlines or for any news, taglines are very, very important, particularly the breaking news taglines. So the news will go on, but the tagline, you will have to prepare the design, the skeleton of the tagline. See, look at here. I will just show you. See, look at here. This is a tagline for breaking news. See, on the top,
Can you
there is
share
a
your screen,
breaking
sir?
news column. Sir, is it not visible? Yeah, I'm sharing. Okay. Now, is it visible, sir? Is it visible now? Is it
Thank you, sir.
visible, sir? Sir, is it visible?
Sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. It
Look
is
at here.
visible.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Now look at here. The breaking line on the top should be there, and here the tagline has to be there. The TV channel logo has to be there, and whatever content you'll have to give it in the middle. In the middle, at the bottom, you can also have reserve some space, or you can directly go for this thing. Right. Now I guide you for the size. Right. For example, you go to File, New, and take for devices, click for devices, or film or video, click for devices, click for devices, or film or video, film or video, NTSCDV wide screen, NTSDV wide screen, you select this wide screen. Okay, in it, and the pixel, it is only 72 because it should be light. Right, I've got it. Right, I've got it. Once again, I shall tell you. Now look at here, go to new, film and video, and choose NTSCDV wide screen. NTSCDV wide screen, right? Okay. On the top, you will have to make. See, for example, this is the basic here. The already this. The rulers are here. Guidelines are here. The blue color guidelines are here. So I'm making one of the portion and designing it as breaking news. See, I'm going to design it as breaking news. Okay, I want to change it as red color. So I just go here and change it as red color. I change it, and with bold letters, I just type it as breaking news. Okay, with bold letters, Arial bold. Look for some bold letters. Breaking news. Okay, I've selected it, and I want to change it as white color font. Right. You can even go for yellow color font. I'm increasing the size of the letter. 1 minute. Increasing the size and the width. See, width can be increased here also. 130. See. Okay. I can even reduce a little more. 140. Breaking news. Right. And now I'm increasing the size a little bit, right? Look at here. And the logo of the TV can be kept here in the side. Now, what is the TV that we need to search for? Maybe you can think of some English channels. NDTV. Just logo of NDTV, right? I'm just taking the logo of NDTV. Copy. It's too big, no? So I just delete it. Taking NDTV there on the top. Kept it on the top. Now at the bottom also see a small strip. I would like to give us red color. See, small strip. So I use gradient paint bucket, chosen background, and use paint bucket, and the red color is filled here. Right? I filled it. Right in between, I will have to make it as TN elections have started. Election Commission announced TN elections. Election Commission announced TN elections, right? So I wanted to bring this Tamil Nadu assembly picture. Tamil Nadu TN picture. Tamil Nadu assembly picture. Usually, this is the picture that they show. This is the picture that they show for news purpose. So I just copy and bring it here. I just copy and bring it here. I brought it here. See, it is quite big image, so I want to shrink it. I wanted to keep it here and increase the size of it. Yeah. Reduce a bit. For example, see, I just reduce this, delete this portion, and in one side I keep this. Okay. Now what do? I'm going to make it as dull color. I'm going to make it as dull color. So how do I make it dull color? Go to image, hue saturation. It no, automatically you will get see plain color automatically. See, I lost all the colors, only black, and even then I would like to reduce the opacity. Please listen carefully. Commissioner Sunil Arora. Sunil Arora is the Chief Election Commissioner. See, he is the one. So I would like to take up his picture as announcing. See, I just take his picture. Take his picture. Copy or save image. I would like to remove the background. I would like to remove the background using the remove PG. Remove PG website, no? Remove PG. There. I would like to remove the background. I'm uploading an image. It is in the downloads folder. See, I have got it. Sooner, I will get the background removed. See, I got only this man, right? I download it. Yes. I keep it here. Sorry. I just open. Where is it? It is in downloads folder. See, I choose only this man alone. See. He is election commissioner. Okay. So here in the background, we have got the Tamil Nadu State Assembly, the tag symbol, right? Okay. Now look at here the text. Election Commission, the text I will have to give, right? Election Commission. I'm just changing 1 minute. Text column maybe change. Election Commission announces TN election schedule. Okay, this is the You increase the line gap. Okay, I have increased the line gap. Election Commission announces TN elections, right? You can go for different color subtext also. Okay, that's all. The tagline has been created. A date, maybe you can put the date. Polling is on. Under that, you can put polling on polls on April 6th or 6th April. See, this can be given superscript here in using this, right? Polls on. I'm reducing the size of this, the first line. So I've created a content, right? Election Commission announces the dates for the elections, and the polls are on 6th April, right? This is the tagline that we have created. Now look at here, I just save this in JPG format. Save us in JPG or PNG. You can have both image, PNG or JPG. So I'm just making it in the desktop. Breaking news tag. Am I clear to you? See the picture. The picture of Tamil Nadu government is light. I have made it light, and I am keeping this picture. Whoever tells the statement, or whoever comes out with the statement, that picture can be kept here, and you can give the content here inside. So this is the way you design the breaking news tag or news taglines. Okay, in Tamil also you can do this, right? Any clarification? Any clarification? Any clarification? Can you make it? Can you make it? Do you have the confidence of making it? Yes. Okay, fine then. Fine. Good. Okay, so I share the attendance. Now you can fill the attendance, and if you have no clarification, you may leave. Tomorrow we will meet. If there is any change, as I told you earlier, if there is a change, I will let you know. Because of the exam schedule, we may have change of timetable. I will let you know in the group. Please keep watching the group, WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Thank you. You can fill and you can leave. Any clarification, you are welcome to ask. Size that given for news. Yeah. Srivan, please go to Photoshop, new, and go to film and see here, film and video. Select film and video here. Select film and video and choose NTSC DV wide screen. NTSC DV wide screen. Choose that and design it and give it as PNG format to TVs. You can see it in your own TV. See, I tell you, my dear friends, you can see this in your own TV. Am I clear? You can see this in your own TVs. You can see this in your own TVs. You can just upload it in the TV and watch it. How does it look like? All the TVs are widescreen these days, so this will fit. You can have some models also, right? Have you got it, Pa? Thank you. Any other clarification? You're welcome to ask for any clarification. Any clarification? Thank you. If you have no clarification, you can leave. Thank you. God bless you all. Any clarification? I'm here. Mani sir, you can stop recording. Mr. Mani, please stop recording.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Magazine cover is 8 into 11. 8.5 into 11. 8.5 into 11. With this 8.5,